等下记得关掉。
好啊。
要不要喝水之类的？
不需要。
然后细子集团昨天就是那个有人在跑，就是我们昨天跟你讲的，要先想有人在帮民进党讲话，说为什么赖平他们都不能进来，管你不让民进党进来，然后只让要起，
他们回答，
不回答，管你们不回答，对吧？然后就有一些讲一些保持中立的话，那个什么赖平昨天弄造势晚会上不对呀，影响交通啊，不好啊，干嘛？对啊。
因为戏剧好像有点他的。
所以说就回说，而且他们又不喜欢民进党就直讲，对不对？而且他都来用那个片段，其实
In every career,
民进党的策略
in every country,
对啊，所以他说啊没有啊，他说什么我很中立啊，干嘛的？对啊，他说赖平之前办的2场什么亲子活动我都很喜欢或干嘛，他这一场不对就不对，对，人家合法申请入权啊。
我在注意了，17分了。啊，不行。19分了，收起来，收起来。时代要进去，要进去了。
门给我关起来啊！
你自己去帮他关。
没办法，我要站起来，这一路都看到。
对，你应该是帮他关。是为了避免他看你的内幕，我叫你关的，不然。
关内幕。好，休息一下。
会用哦。
嗯。
I love you。
嗯。
And then we shall begin the scratch lesson. Woo! So, okay, hi guys. So, during this time, can you make sure you have two windows side by side? We got the Google Meet and the actual Scratch. So let me share my entire screen quickly. So just while we're doing this, make sure you have, oh, let me just get rid of that. And, okay, can't do that. Let's stay there then. Okay, so make sure you're able to have the two screens side by side. One half is the Google Meet, and then the other half is the Scratch programming that I will send to you in a little bit. We're just waiting for maybe Emily and Jared and Jet, and then we'll start heading off. Hi, Vincent. Do you have a question?
I already made it.
You already made it? Fantastic.
I already learned a bit Scratch.
Awesome stuff. Well, like today will be more of the basics, but next time will be like more, like there'll be a little bit more. Okay, so I'll probably wait for maybe 2 more people and then I shall begin. But make sure you're able to get the Google Meet as half of your screen, because the other half is going to be something else, okay? Okay. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Cool. So, Hugo, how are you doing today? There's Jared.
I don't do work. I go to school.
You go to school? Fantastic. Hi, Jared.
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm happy today.
Excellent. Well, if you're happy, I'm happy. So we're just going to wait for one more person, maybe Jet or Emily. Make sure you're able to have the 2 screens side by side. Okay? So we got the Scratch and the Google Meet. Okay? Okay. So, yes, Vincent, do you have a question? Oops.
I can make it side by side.
You cannot?
Yeah.
Why can you not? Would you like to share your screen so I can help you?
First, I am using a different computer. Now I'm using Windows and first I'm using Apple and now I'm not. First, I mostly use Apple, but today I'm using Windows, so I'm not sure how to make it side by side.
That's fine. I can quickly sort that out for you. So, okay, so VirtualBox. I'll just do a quick demonstration on how this works, okay? So I'll grab that one, go like that. Press any key. Yes. There we go. So I'll just get my windows up real quickly, then I can show you. And then in the Apple, it will be a similar process. It'll be a similar process, but just so we can review, okay? So I'm going to have, so usually the window is really, really big, okay? So what you have to do, you have to use your mouse, grab the gray zone like this, grab the empty zone, and go top left, yakabom, like that. Or if you do it in the middle on Windows, you can actually do it halfway down the screen. But then using the hotkey to grab another one, you can go in the middle on the right side, and then you can have both of them together. So this one is Google Meet, like this, images. So this side is Google Meet, and then this side is the Scratch programming, like this. So you have it side by side, okay? So make sure everyone's got that way. I'll leave that open for now. So I think we should start the lesson, okay? So, week 1, introduction to Scratch. We're actually going to be doing some programming today. Woo! Yay! So, what is Scratch? Anyone know what Scratch is? Yes, Hugo.
It's a program of computer and you can make something in it.
Yeah, so basically it's called a programming language. Now, a language, a people language or a person language could be something like English, Chinese, Korean, Japanese, these sorts of things, where one language you can say hello. Another language you can say konnichiwa. Another language could be ni hao. Another language could be Guten Tag. These all mean the same thing, but they are done in different ways. So I think that was Jet, who just came in. We lost him again. Yeah, there we go. Hi, Jet. Awesome. So, yeah, so what is Scratch? Scratch is a programming language. And what a programming language is when we can talk to the computer and get it to do things. Woo! So, Scratch is a programming language that allows people to create fun projects and games by dragging and connecting blocks together that represents the code. I'll go through that a little bit later. You can start coding in the browser or download the free version from the Scratch official website. So here, I've got a little link where we go straight into Scratch. Now, I will copy and paste this into the chat. If you click on scratch.mit.edu, get them side by side. So on one side, you got the Google Meet, one side you got the Scratch, then we're cooking with gas. Yes, Vincent, what is your question?
Then can I use your account?
Very good. So I will talk about accounts now. So ask your parents, everyone ask your parents if you're able to create accounts and get them to help you. Okay? If you do not have an account, do not worry today. But one thing I recommend is maybe you use a password manager like we talked about last week. Because this account can be 1, 2, 3, boop, fills in everything. This password is very strong. Password monster. If I put that password into password monster like last time, it will take 300 trillion years to crack. And look how quickly I did it. If I get rid of this one, and then it goes back in. Yeah. And then I can sign in. But again, you do not need an account to do this lessons, but it will be useful for later. So ask your parents, see if you can do it, okay? So if you go onto the Scratch website, click Create, you're going to get to this area, okay? Cool. So, getting started. There are many different areas to the Scratch website. Here in the middle, the green one is called the main coding area. This is where all your work will be, okay? On the left here is the blue section. This is where all the blocks are, which allows you to drag and drop and use your code. Each block is split into different colors to help you find it easier. And on the right here is the Scratch cat character. And this is where the result of the code will happen. So if I was to go into here, let me actually put this onto 8 like that, and then back to 2. Fantastic. So here's my scratch. If I go to this area here, I can use my mouse to take the green flag and put it in the middle. Can everyone please take the green flag and put it in the middle of the scratch? You can bring it here. You can also remove it, and you can grab another one. If you want to grab 2 or 3 or 4, that's okay. Don't know why you would. So if you make a mistake, you can bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, and delete it. Okay? Any questions so far? Is everyone able to bring the green flag up? Yes, Vincent. Do you have a question? I didn't see your arm. So Jet, thumbs up if you've got this. Excellent. Hugo, thumbs up if you got this. Excellent. Josephine, thumbs up if you have what I have. Oh, Jed does not. Okay. Henry does. Josephine, do you have it? She's still figuring out. Jared, would you like to share your screen so I can help you?
知道 how to show the screen.
That's perfectly fine. So here is the Google Meet. Here is the red button. Do not press it. Then, if you go over 1, 2, 3 to this area, you can share the specific window or the entire screen so I can help you. Let's see how you do.
苹果般的猪小皮带吗？裹着像裹着来到这个道上的小乖幼儿园的小人。
So once you share your screen, I'll be able to help you. Okay, good. Okay. Now, you've got many scratch things open, correct? So close some of them. You only need the 1. 2. Good. Now, do you remember how to get the 2 things side by side? So, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So inside the middle of your screen, there should be a pin button. Unpin yourself.
What is unpin?
Yeah. So if you move your mouse to the middle of the screen, in the middle, up, middle. Do you see that little pin icon in the middle there to the left? Left. That's right. Left. Left. You're going right. Left. No, not that way. The other way. The other left. Good. Left. Yeah, that one. Do you see it? The white thing. That one. Click it. Excellent. Cool. Now, okay, so it's my screen. So I'm going to represent. Okay, cool. So if you look at my screen quickly, I think it's 8. Yeah, nope, 3. Okay, here. You have currently a screen like this with lots and lots of tabs, right? Okay. There's only 2 tabs we need. One is the scratch. So you take it like this. The other one is the Google Meet. Like this. Okay? You take this tab, you put it over to the right, and it should click into place. And then like this. Can you try and do that, Jared? Oh, he's gone. He must have clicked the wrong button. I will continue for now. So, here we've got the click. So, this is the main areas of the Scratch programming language. Adding blocks to place. when you have found a block, yes, Josephine.
Can I share my screen?
Absolutely, you can.
Does it not do?
That's fine. Yeah. Share your screen. So it's the little dots. Oh no, it's not the little dots. It's oh, where'd that go? Oh yeah. Oops. Okay. I think you have not shared it. Okay. Hi, Jared. How we doing? So, Josephine, do you remember how to share your screen? And he's left again. Cool. So share your screen, please, Josephine, and then we shall help. There we go. Excellent. So this is the correct area. So, oh, I see. So I believe that the issue you're facing is the fact that you cannot see some of the things. What you can do, you can take your mouse to the bottom, and there's this gray bar down the very bottom. You can use that to scroll from side to side. Okay? You can also use the plus and minus symbol to make it go in and out. Okay? So, the plus, the minus, this, and the gray bars to do like this. Also, if you click up here, you can make this a little bit smaller as well. Okay? Did that help you, Josephine? Yeah. Okay, fantastic. So, cool. Okay, I clicked the wrong button there. I do apologize. So, when you have found a block that you want to use, you can use the mouse to drag the block from the left into the center screen. When you have more than one block to connect, you simply drag the similar shapes together like a puzzle. If it looks like it does not fit, that means it does not fit. So what I mean here is here we have our green block. Okay? If I take another block like this, right, we can connect it to each other like this. Okay? That means when I click the green button, it will do a thing. So, can everyone go to grab the green flag and the move 10 steps? Okay, Jared, have you joined us again? So, Josephine, if you scroll over to the right, you can get rid of the big green thing. Okay, let me just do something quickly. So, Josephine, if you go to create a new one, no, not a new one, you see this green thing here, right? You have it on your screen. If you scroll over to the right or left, if you scroll over to the right, or if you take this one, drag it to the left, you can hit the close button on it. Do you see that, Josephine? Yes, Jared.
I don't know how to use and I don't have the message.
Okay, so I'll get to you in a second, Josephine. So you can use your mouse to drag the green thing around in order to hit the close. Do you see that in the middle of your screen? Yep, so drag it over. Yep, left, left, left. Then you can hit the close. Excellent stuff. Yeah. So what did you say, Jared? So can you share your screen one more time? And Josephine, if you, stop sharing your screen. I wasn't showing my one, that's why. Okay. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. So, do you remember how to make the screen smaller, the window smaller? Right? So, Jared, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Your screen.
Yeah. So my. Oh no, wait. Yeah. Okay. I'll do mine again. Entire screen. That one. Cool. So. 8. Oh, 3. Okay. So here, you've got the screen like this, right? What you need to do, you need to grab the space between and be able to move it around. Then you drag over to the left like this and open it on the right side or the left side. Then you open up another window, you click the tab, you go like this over to the right side, like that. And then you can have the two screens side by side, okay?
But I don't have that message.
No, the content doesn't matter.
I said the purple one next to it.
The purple?
Yes, this one.
Yeah, but the thing is, you just need 2 tabs side by side. That's all you need. It doesn't matter what's on there. Today will be Google Meet and Scratch. But just try and get 2 things next to each other like this. Okay? Cool? So while you're doing that, oops. Okay? So now, let's go around the class while Jared's sorting that out. Does everyone have a green flag and move 10? Thumbs up if you do. Okay, Hugo's got it, Vincent's got it, Jet's got it. Josephine, do you have this? No? So, Josephine, do you want to share your screen again? Yes, Henry.
What?
What's up, Henry?
No.
You're good? Excellent. So, now, don't forget to mute. Cool. So, now, Josephine, on the left side here, you got the yellow one, which is events. Yep, click it. Click it. That's the one. Click it. Use the left click. You can actually go through all the different colors using this. So click events. Yes, click. Oh. It's not working for you. Yeah, there we go. Now, grab the green flag, put it in the middle. Good. And then you got the blue one, put it in the middle. So 10 steps. Very good. Now, at the top right, we have a green flag. You can push that and make the cat go forward. Okay? So, Josephine, are you okay to stop sharing your screen? I'll resume presenting. So, I've got my when green flag is clicked. I can move forward 10 steps. And then I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. and then the cat is moving forward. Okay? I could bring it back. Bring it back. Cool. That is the basics. Okay? Now, different categories of code. Each color represents something different. The blue one is making things move. The looks is changing the way something looks. Then you got events, controls, sensing. I'll talk about all of these another day. Okay? For now, just worry about the blue and the orange control. There are more blocks later, but again, this will be later in the course. Now, for the activity. We are going to make a controller. Okay? We are going to make it so that you push the keyboard and the cat will move around. Okay? So, what we're going to do first is we're going to take the 10 steps. We're going to put it away. Oh, Jet's left. Okay? Then we are going to move the cat to the middle. So we're going to have a block that says go to X and Y, set it both to 0. Okay? Thumbs up when you have this. Okay, Jet? When you have this, click thumbs up. Thumbs up in the camera when you have this. Cool? Excellent. Now, the reason I do this is because sometimes the cat can go over here. Sometimes over here, sometimes over here, sometimes over here. But with this, if I press the green flag, it will go back to the middle. That way, we do not lose the cat. Yes, Josephine?
I can't see the cat.
You can't see the cat?
No.
Okay, so chances are your screen is a little too big. So I think you can use your keyboard here, hit the control button, and then you can actually zoom in and out. I think you can zoom in and out like this. So have a little try with that. If it doesn't work still, then let me know, okay? So now I've got this. Now there's another block which I can use to get the people to click a button, okay? And the one I will choose is in the event, I think, when space is pressed. So can everyone get when space is pressed? And then we're going to have move 10 steps. Like that. That way, when I type on my keyboard, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It moves along. Then I click the green flag, and it goes back to the front. Okay? Let's get rid of that mouse. Cool. But do you think the space bar is the best button to press? What do you think is a better button? Yes, Jet?
The keyboard up and down and forward and backward.
Very good. So you got different arrow keys on your keyboard. I believe they are here. Okay? You can use the left, the right, the up, and the down keys. Okay? So what we're going to do, we can click this little space here, and then we've got different options. What we can do, we can actually click the right arrow, and now when I press on the button, right, 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 it goes this way. But if I press the left, 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 up, 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 down, 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 down. Nothing happens. Why do you think this is? Yes, Hugo?
Because you just say to computer you going to turn right.
Very good. I'm telling the computer the right arrow is what I press. I have not told the computer to press any other arrow. The computer will only do things that you tell it to do. Okay? So, I need to take out another one of the when space is pressed. Okay? So if I move this over here, so I'll put one here, I put one here, I put one here. Okay? This is how I like to organize it. That way the right is here. I can click the space, go up, click the space, go left, click the space, go down. Okay? And then I will add move, move, move. Okay? Thumbs up if you've got that done. Yes, so thumbs up from Hugo, Vincent. What about you, Henry? How are you doing? Thumbs up for Henry. Thumbs up for Josephine. Do you have it? No? So let me know when you got it. Okay, so Hugo's got it. Henry, how are we doing? Okay, so Henry's still figuring out. Josephine's still figuring out. Jet, you've got it. Jared, how are we doing? Are we able to do that?
Yes.
Excellent stuff. And Henry, are you able to do this? So I think it's just Henry and Josephine. If there's any questions or concerns, let me know. We should have the up arrow, the right arrow, the down arrow, and the left arrow. Now, if I press the up arrow, it goes right. If I click the right arrow, it goes right. If I click the down arrow, it goes right. If I click the left arrow, it goes right. So, is this what we want? Yes or no? No. What do we want? What do we want? Yes, Hugo.
We want it can use up, down, and left, right. Not
Very good.
just
Now,
right.
exactly. So it's basically the movement's wrong. So clicking the up arrow should make it go up. Okay? So what we need to do, we need to change the direction of the cat, depending on where we want to. So there is this one called turn, which you can use, but it's a little tricky. So what we're going to use instead is point in direction. This one, point in direction. Because if we click on this little 90 here, you get a little dial, and you can actually set which way you want it to go. So if I've got it set to 0, what direction is it? Is it up, down, left, or right? What do we think? Hands up. The number 0 goes like this. Is that up, down, left, or right? Let's try someone else. What about Vincent? What do you think?
Up.
Up. Very good. So we want this one on the up arrow. Meow, boop. Make sure you have it before it as well. So point in direction and then move. Okay? Then we're going to go grab another one. Now, this point in direction is 90. Which direction do you think this is? Up, left, down, or right? Hands up, who's got it? Not Vincent, let's try Jet. Is it left, down, up, or right? 90.
Up.
So you think this 90 is up? But 0 is up also.
Oh, so it's left.
It's the other one, it's right.
Oh.
Yep. Cool. So then we got another one, which I'm going to put down to 180. So Josephine, what do you think 180 is? Up, down, left, or right?
Left.
You think 180 is left?
Down.
It's down. Very good. So we're going to put there, down. Then the last one, let's get Henry to answer this one. We're going to do this one to minus 90. Henry, which direction is this one? Is it left, up, down, or right? Henry? Are you there?
Left.
Left, very good. So we're going to put that there. Now, what we got is we got the right, the down, the left, and the up. Here, we can go up, 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 right, 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 down, 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 left, 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 up, 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 down, 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 right, 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 right. And now we have a controller. Woo! Okay. So let me know if anyone has any problems. So Henry, don't forget to mute your mic after you've answered. Yes, Josephine.
I don't know how to use it.
How to use what? The directions?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So excellent question. So what you do, you drag out the pointing direction from the blue area. So I go like that. And then I click on the 90. Now, I can put in the number, or I can use the mouse to go and move it around to the direction I want. Okay?
Okay.
And then I put it into the place. Okay?
Okay.
And that's what I got here. We go up, 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 down, 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 right, 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 left, 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 like this. Now, one last thing we'll do before we show each other's things is with the movement, you can actually change this to a different number. If you say 20 on each, it will move faster. If you say 50 on each, it will go very, very, very fast. Okay? But if you put in a minus number, minus 50 in each, what do you think will happen? Anyone, any ideas? If I put minus 50 in each, what do you think will happen? Anyone want to take a guess? Yes, Vincent.
think it will go backwards.
Very good. It'll do the opposite of what you're expecting. So if I push the up key, it'll go down. If I push the down key, it'll go up. If I press the left key, it'll go that way. Yeah, it's the opposite. So you got to be careful about which numbers you put in there. I'm going to keep it to 30. Okay? Oh, and now, does everyone have a working controller? Hands up if you have a working controller. So Vincent's got it.
What?
So now what we're going to do, we're going to share each person's screen just to double check. Okay? So Vincent, can you share your screen quickly? So Vincent, are you able to share your screen? If you remember how, okay. Share your screen just to double check. Excellent stuff. Okay, you've got the point in direction, but you do not have the movement. Okay, so don't forget, you must move the characters as well. Very good. So you're okay to stop sharing your screen once you've got that. And then Hugo. Can you share your screen, Hugo? So Vincent stop sharing and then Hugo can share. Excellent. What am I looking at? This isn't the correct website. Try again.
Oh, I find it.
There we go. Excellent. That looks good. That looks really, really good. And you're able to move it. Now, if you want it to go faster, you can change the number on the move block in order to make it go faster if you want to. Cool. So you can stop sharing. Next person is Jet. Okay, you've actually got a different sprite. That's awesome. But your code looks a little strange. On the up arrow, it's got the move, but not the point in direction. You need 3 blocks on each button. Okay? So you got the move, the point in direction on each one. Does that make sense? Cool. So fix that one, and then I'll get back to you in a second. So are you able to stop sharing your screen? Josephine, do you want to share next? Oh, that looks beautiful. Yes, that is some lovely, lovely code.
How can I get the cat move?
You click the button. So on your keyboard here, you click the buttons down there. That's what we got it set to. If you have those. Do you have those buttons?
And
Well, first,
the
is it not working?
um
The code looks good. So try clicking the buttons on the keyboard. Or try pressing the green flag first. Do you see the big green flag in the top right? Yep, click that with the left click. Okay, now try clicking the buttons. Click the arrow keys. There we go. Go up, 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 down, 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 left, 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 left. Yeah, nicely done. You got it. Chances are you did not have the screen selected. That's my guess. Okay. So now, if you stop sharing your screen, Jared, you're next.
快点啦！没事。不要。
Nicely done.
嗯。
And you got the screen sorted. That's good. That looks beautiful, mate. Nicely done. Woo! You got it. That's perfect. So yeah, so now last one is Henry. Something along those lines. So Jared can stop sharing. Now Henry, can you share your screen, please? So I can have a look. There we go. Oh, that is looking amazing. Yes, you also have it correct. Nicely done, nicely done. You can stop sharing. And now I will start sharing myself. Cool. So now what we'll do, if you have an account, this will be easier. If you do not have an account, that's fine. Okay? So what we need to do first is we need to name the project. So everyone take your mouse and at the top here, yes, Josephine. Oh, I've lost you, I think.
What is
Account. So you remember when
what
I went...
is
Sorry, one more time.
what is impressed?
Impract. One more time, sorry.
The stuff that you said before.
Cool. So I'll repeat it one more time. Now, when we... Oh, so let me just quickly go over here. Now, before, when I did the Scratch programming, some people do have the account. So what the account means is that you can basically sign in. Here, it says join Scratch and sign in. Then you can type in your stuff in here. Okay? If you did not do this, that's perfectly fine. I will teach you both ways to save your work. So, if you have the account, there's a section up here which is called Untitled 2. This is how you can name your project. So I'm going to name this project Basic Booth. Okay? That way, if I close down my game and open it again, I can get straight back into it. Okay? But if you do not have an account, this does not work. So what you need to do, just a second, Hugo. What you need to do, you need to go up to File, and you can save to your computer. Okay? And what saving to your computer does, it gives you a dot, can I zoom in? A file to save. You save it, and now you have it on your local computer. Yes, Hugo.
Can you say this one more time? I didn't hear it.
Not a problem at all. So if you have the account, if it says your name here, you can type in the name of the project here, and it will save. If you do not have the account, you need to click on File, Save to your computer, and then save it here. click save. And then depending if you're using an Apple or a Mac, Apple or a Windows computer, it will look a little different, okay? But this way, if you accidentally go somewhere else and you're like, oh no, my project, where is it? Oh no. You can go to your files here and you can see inside and then you have it back, okay? Or you can go to file, load from computer, find the project you saved, for example, calculator for me, and then you can load all the code from one of your other projects. And this is a calculator I made earlier. Okay? Load from your computer, downloads, basic move, open, and there we're back. Okay?
How to
So,
make a
does
name?
any...
Teacher,
Sorry?
How to make the name?
How to make the name? Up here in the top of the screen.
Teacher, but I don't have.
Up here, do you have your name?
Nope.
Okay, so you do not have an account. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to click on File, Save to Computer, and then save it in the downloads. Okay, but talk to your parents, check if they are happy for you to have an account. And then if you want an account, you can. If you do not want an account, that is okay. But you need to save it locally. And you need to practice loading from your computer and finding out where things are. Okay? Go to projects. Yes, Josephine.
I can save it in my computer, but I can't open it.
Now, yeah, the reason you cannot open it, so if I open up this one, for example, and then I go into my one. So, what I think you're trying to do, not there, lesson reference, scratch lessons. Okay, what I think you're trying to do is you double click this one and then you're trying to do this, right? That is not how it works. You need the website. In order to load it into the website, you click on File, then you load from computer, you find the file, for example, downloads, basicmove.sb3, you open it, and then you can get it back, okay? Yes, Hugo, do you have a question?
I save it, but I don't see it.
Okay, so where did you save it in your computer? Chances are it was the downloads file. Are you able to share your screen so I can help you? It has to be the entire screen. The entire screen. Okay, so you have shared the window, but not the screen. So if you save to your computer, quickly. Now, I cannot see much of what you want to show me. You have to share the entire window. Yeah, like the entire screen. So that I can see multiple windows. Okay? Like this.
Teacher, I cannot share the entire.
That's a shame. So I will try to do, are you using a Windows or a Mac?
I use Apple.
Apple. Excellent. That's going to be trickier because there's parental controls on the Apple. So I will try my best to explain it to you. Okay? So if you go to File, load from your computer, okay? And then inside the files, there should be a place called Downloads, okay? If you go into Downloads, you should have it there.
Oh,
Okay.
I see it.
Yeah, unfortunately, I think that needs to be your homework, because if you cannot share the entire window or the entire screen, I can't guide you, unfortunately. But if you sign up for the account, right, you can go to Scratch and you can go to like the projects folder here and you would be able to see it. I'll go back up to all those. Then you can see it here and you would be able to get it pretty quickly. Okay? Okie dokie. So does anyone else need help? So during the last couple of minutes, we've only got a couple of minutes left. You can add extra keys if you want. You can change it in many different ways, try out some different blocks. We're going to be going through blocks later on anyway, but if you want to try things like, for example, you can say hello every time you click a button. Yeah, so you go, hello, hello, hello. Or you can say like going up, going down, going down, going left, nope, right, going left, like that. Set it to 1. And now, every time you click it, it tells you where it's going. You can do some crazy stuff like that. Cool. Anyone else have any questions or concerns on how to save it? Has everyone managed to save a copy? Awesome stuff. Cool. So I'm going to put these away. There we go. Cool. And that is how we use a controller. Yeah. So yeah, there's only 1 minute left. Does anyone have any questions about the work or anything like, or something you want to add to the project? We'll go into more detail and more things next week. Also, I will make the slides available to you as well, so that you're able to see slides I did here. Okay, and definitely like have a look at all the blocks and try and familiarize yourself with all of them. That's a really good idea. And just try different blocks in different ways. Okie dokie. Awesome. So that is the end of the lesson. So for your homework, practice using the computer in different ways. Try and get the 2 screens next to each other a little quicker. Try to get used to your own files inside your computer if you do not have an account. Also, talk to your parents to try and get an account. Okay? So, thank you very much. I shall see you guys later next week, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye-bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye-bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye-bye-bye-bye. Thank you, Jet. Bye-bye. 拜拜拜拜。
妈妈，我上完课了。妈妈，我上完课了。妈妈，我上完。